Well, look who's back. In a brand new kitchen. New recipes, new surprises, same orange mixer, and of course, a delicious cup of coffee. Baking with Sarah is back with more soulful bakes, easy recipes for busy days, and a whole lot of single mom realness. And there's something new. Every month, I'm sharing a little slice of local sweetness with a new segment I call Boop and Brew. It's my excuse to sip on something strong, snack on something buttery, and show you some of LA's hidden gems. Because moms deserve field trips too. So if you're into delicious food, big feelings, and a whole lot of booping, you're in the right place. Grab yourself a cup of coffee or some bourbon, maybe a delicious treat, and boop that bell and subscribe. And let's make life a little sweeter. Happy baking!